Hello everybody, we're going to continue with coordinate geometry. This is the second part of your chapter. Before we go ahead, just like to revise. So these are the few sums that we had done based on finding the distance between the 2 points. Now, as you can see here, I had left here. Distance between RS is under root 11 the whole square upon 2. 11 upon 2 the whole square. So that I opened and wrote it under root 121 upon 4. But as we see over here, when under root sign is there and inside there is a square, so a direct answer would have been 11 upon 2. Because under root of 11 square is 11, under root of 2 square is 2. So your answer can be directly 11 upon 2 units. Similarly, see here also we can simplify it a little more, and see this is nothing but you taking your LCM, doing your surds. So 8, LCM of 8 can be removed as 2, 4s are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 2s are 4, so 2 comes out under root 2. So it can also be written as 2 root 2 units. I will advise you to simplify your answer to the greatest extent. This is not simplification, this is just narrowing it down from here. You can write this also, but this is a better way of writing it. Okay, then we had a similar sum over here. Under root distance Wx is nothing but under root 29 upon 2 the whole square. Now whole square is there, under root nikal diya to directly. Under root of 29 the whole square is nothing but under root 29 into 29. So what is the square root of 29 into 29? 29. Okay, so this becomes 29 upon 2 units. Okay, or it can be this answer. So just wanted to clarify that. Now, based on this distance formula only, we will continue, but this is the second type of question that is asked based on the distance formula. Okay, so this type of question is asked. Let's see example 2 for this type. Show that the points A, B and C are collinear. I'll repeat. Show that the points A minus 3 comma 2, B 1 comma minus 2, C 9 comma minus 10 are collinear. So for such things, first step is you have to find the distance between each of the coordinates, that is distance AB, then you find distance BC, then you find distance AC. Okay, then you keep aside the largest one, okay, among them, the largest distance that you find, and add the smaller two distances. Then you compare. If the distance you have added and the larger distance are equal, then the 3 points are collinear. So now when we do all of it, we will be able to understand. Now I'll do it, okay? So let's start. Given A is given as minus 3 comma 2, B is given as 1 comma minus 2, and C is given as 9 comma minus 10. We have to show that these points are collinear. So prove that A comma B and C are collinear. Okay, so solution. In this case, how will you do for the solution, or how will you see the solution? Okay, first step. So for distance AB, I told you we'll have to find all three. Distance AB, don't mark like that, I'm only marking for explanation. Distance BC and distance AC. All three will be same. Okay. So for AB, A minus 3 comma 2 and B is 1 comma minus 2. Here x1, y1. x1 is minus 3, 2. x2 is 1. y2 is minus 2. Okay, so this is the distance. See, the distance formula is given on the left. We are going to use that only. Okay, so therefore distance A comma B is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, substitute the value now. x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square. Therefore, solve it. Under root 1 minus minus plus 4 the whole square plus minus 2 the whole square. Let's see step by step. 1 plus 4 is 5 the whole square plus 1 minus minus plus 3 only this will be. Okay, 1 minus minus plus and 3 bring down. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 4. Avoid overwriting like that. Minus minus plus. So it is plus 4 sign of the greater number the whole square. So here use distance formula only. 4 4s are 16 plus 16. Okay. Therefore, distance A comma B is equals to under root 32. Now under root 32 can be written as, see, I will take the LCM over here and show you all. Okay. Or you can directly do it as 16 2s are 32. Okay. So 32 is a whole number, that is a perfect square into 2. Okay, so it will be under root 16 into 2. Square root of 16 is 4 and under root 2 will remain as it is. So 4 root 2 units. Okay, so this take it as your first equation. Okay, now let's go ahead. As I said, distance AB we have done. Now distance BC. Okay, the second is we are going to find distance BC. Distance BC. So second step for distance BC. I don't have lines over here. Please don't do this. For distance BC, B is again 1 comma minus 2 and C is 9 comma minus 10. Please see if you are taking the right numbers. Here x1, y1 and x2, y2. Okay, so this is the sum. Now we find distance BC. Therefore, distance B comma C is equals to under root, you have to write by distance formula. If you write, it will be better. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, these sums are a little lengthy but easy. So don't lose your patience. Distance BC is equals to under root x2 is what? 9 minus 1. So 9 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 10 minus of minus 2 the, so minus 10 minus of minus 2 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to minus 1 minus 1 is 8 the whole square plus, here first we will solve, minus 10 minus minus plus 2 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to under root 8 square plus minus plus sign of the greater number the whole square. Therefore, that is equal to 64 plus 64. Therefore, that is equal to, how much is 64 plus 64? Now it is nothing but 2 into 64 because we've added it twice. Okay, under root of 64 is 8. So distance BC, see, if you know the squares of numbers, you will understand that under root 64 is nothing but 8. Means 64 is 8 square, and when you add 64 twice means you multiply 64 by 2. So 8 root 2 units. Okay, third step for this particular sum. Okay, third step. Now for distance AC, final one. A is given as, what is A? A represents minus 3 comma 2 and C represents 9 comma minus 10. So when you do these sums, space it out, it looks neat. Here x1, y1. x1 is minus 3, y1 is 2, x2 is 9, y2 is minus 10. Please don't do it in your head, always write it down. It is a little time consuming, but it will make sure that you don't make a mistake. By distance formula. Okay, so therefore distance A comma C is given by under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore that is equal to, substitute the value, 9 minus of minus 3 the whole square plus minus 10 minus 2 the whole square. Therefore that is equal to, okay, 9 minus minus plus 3 the whole square plus, now minus minus we add, okay, and sign of the greater number, the whole square. Therefore that is equals to 12 the whole square plus minus 12 the whole square. So therefore that is equals to 144 plus 144. I told you square of a negative number is always a positive number. That is equals to, I told you again now, that is 144 into 2. 144 is the square root of distance A comma C is equals to 12 root 2. Oh, this is a second. So 12 root 2 units. Now the final step for all this. Okay. Now we have this to be 4 root 2 units. That is, distance AB is 4 root 2 units. We have distance BC 8 root 2 units. Distance AC is 12 under root 2 units. Okay. So we will say, consider, keep the bigger distance as it is, as I told you. Distance A comma C is equals to 12 root 2 units. Okay. Then now add the other two. That is distance AB plus distance BC is equals to 4 under root 2 plus 8 under root 2. That is nothing but 12 under root 2 units. Because this root 2 is the same, it becomes common, and 4 plus 8 is 12. This is the property of surds. You can add surds. Okay. So 12 under root 2 units. That is nothing but distance A comma C is equals to distance A comma B plus distance B comma C. Okay. Therefore A comma B and C are collinear. Okay, so this is how you have to understand. I hope you've understood this. Let's move on to our example 3. Okay, let's see. We are going to see example 3, which is of the same type. Verify whether the points P, Q and R are collinear. Okay, now the point is everybody does it in shortcut, but you have to write all the steps. That is the requirement for your exam. Okay, so let's start with example 3. Given, let's see, P is 6 comma minus 6, Q is 3 comma minus 7 and R is 3 comma 3. Okay, so all that you can write similar to here. Okay, find distance. Where is the sum? Prove that A, B, C are collinear. So you can write over here similar to it. Prove that P, Q, R are collinear. I'll just start with the sum directly. Okay. So if I write, I think you all will write. So I'll also write it. Prove that P, comma Q and R are collinear. So we don't have to prove, here we have to verify. Here you have to verify. You have to see whether they are collinear or not. Okay, same method, no difference. Whether they are saying prove that or verify, steps are the same. So again, what will you do? Okay, first we fill for distance P comma Q. As I said first, PQ, QR. Okay, then the third one will be PR. Okay, please don't make this, is just for your understanding. For distance PQ, P is equals to 6 comma minus 6 and Q is equals to 3 comma minus 7. Here it becomes doubly कि हाँ भाई proper है. Then here x1 is equals to 6, y1 is equals to minus 6, x2 is equals to 3, y2 is equals to minus 7. ठीक है. So therefore by distance formula, okay, distance P comma Q is equal to x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Please do not do any shortcut, write all the steps. Okay, so under root you must be knowing everything. Maths might be coming to easily, but please write all the steps. This is the beauty of being in the 10th standard. So 3 minus 6, x2 minus x1, 3 minus 6 the whole square, okay, plus minus 7 minus of minus 6 the whole square. Okay, therefore that is equal to under root 3 minus 6 is minus 3 the whole square plus c. Minus plus minus means 6 minus 3 is 3, sign of the greater number, plus, first let's resolve this, minus 7, here multiplication is gone, minus minus plus 6 the whole square. Therefore that is equals to 3 the whole square means 9. Okay, so I'll keep it as it is for now. Minus 7 6 minus plus minus 7 minus 6 is 1, sign of the greater number, the whole square. Okay, so we have, therefore that is equals to 9 plus 1 under root. Therefore distance P comma Q is equals to under root 10 units. This is your first. Let's go ahead, okay, and find distance QR. for, this is your second step. Okay. Sorry. For Q, for distance QR. Q is 3, minus 7 and R is 3, 3. Okay. Here x1 is equals to 3, y1 is equals to minus 7 and x2 is equals to 3 and y2 is equals to 3. Okay, so let's see now. Therefore, by distance formula, distance q comma r is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Therefore, that is equals to 3 minus 3 the whole square plus 3 minus of minus 7 the whole square. Therefore, 3 minus 3 is 0. So, it will be 0 the whole square plus 3 minus into minus is plus 7 the whole square. Keep this as it is. Do not solve it. Write 0 square plus 10 square. 3 plus 7 is 10. Now solve. 0 square is 0. 10 square is 100. 100 plus 0 is 100. Therefore, distance q comma r is equals to under root 100 units. Okay, so this is how you have to write it. Okay, keep as it is. Okay, you can write it as square root of 100 is 10, but that 10 is going to do no good for us. So that's why I'm telling you, keep it like that. We'll see what to do. Okay, further. Third step. Okay, we have to do for P, for distance PR. Okay, P is nothing but 6, minus 6 and R is equals to 3, 3. Here x1 is equals to 6, y1 is equals to minus 6 and x2 is equals to 3 and y2 is equals to 3. Therefore, distance P, R is equals to under root x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is your second. Okay. Now, therefore, substitute. Therefore, distance P, R is equals to under root. What is x2? 3 minus 6 the whole square plus 3 minus of minus 6 the whole square. Okay. Now, it is going to be here only. Therefore, distance P, R is equals to 3 minus 6 is minus 3 the whole square plus 3 plus 6 the whole square. Okay. Let's continue. Therefore, distance P, R is equal to under root 3 minus 3 the whole square is 9 plus 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, so it is minus 3 the whole square plus 9 square is plus, what is this? 9 square. This is minus 3 the whole square. Okay, therefore distance P, R is equals to under root 9 plus 81. Therefore, distance P, R is equals to under root 90 units. Okay, now what will you do further? How will you add these surds? Okay, there is a way you can do it. How we are going to do it? Just look at it. Okay, so consider, now you all will understand that this is 90, distance here is 90, distance QR is 100, distance PQ is under root 10. So this is the largest among all of them. So we keep it aside. So distance QR is equals to under root 100 units. Therefore, distance PQ plus distance P comma R, that is equals to under root 10 plus under root 90 units. Now, since you're not able to add this directly, we will have to square it, add it, and various other means. You'll have to square this, so it will become 100. Then you have to square and open this and all. When you square and open this will be a larger value as compared to this. So, say we know that under root 100 the whole square will not be equal to under root 10 plus under root 90 the whole square. Therefore, distance QR will not be equal to distance P comma Q plus distance P comma R. Okay. Therefore, P comma Q and R are not collinear. Okay, so this is the way you're supposed to do these type of sums. Okay, I hope you've understood it. Now,
So hope you've all enjoyed this part of the chapter series just as you would enjoy your favorite book with a hot cup of tea. So ECOT, that is everyone's cup of tea, will bring to you many more such chapter series along with detailed explanation and solution of the exercises that are there in your textbook. We wish to bring to you this and more at zero cost so that the hardest chapters become your cup of tea. So help us by clicking on this button. Get notified about our upcoming chapter series. Also, share it to help us define education through equality. Do message us any doubts that you have on our Instagram handle, everyone's cup of tea, and we promise to answer them. Thank you and keep sipping. Bye.